Hi guys, thanks for joining here. Today I will show you guys how you can activate the Windows Photo Viewer app in Windows 10 and 11. Windows Photo Viewer was the default image viewer in Windows 7 and 8. Later Microsoft replaced it with a different Photo Viewer app. This might be because Windows Photo Viewer can't open certain image formats. However, because of its simplicity, fast performance and clean interface, many users still prefer the classic Windows Photo Viewer. You can download the classic Windows Photo Viewer and use it for free. The link to this site is provided in the description. Click here to download the registry file to activate or restore Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10 and 11. Next, you can also download the undo restore Windows Photo Viewer file in case if you decide not to use the Windows Photo Viewer app. Now go to downloads folder. If you open this image, you will see that it opens in a different app. To check if Windows Photo Viewer is available, right click on the image, hover your mouse over open with and select choose another app. As I scroll down here, you can see that Windows Photo Viewer is unavailable. This confirms that Windows Photo Viewer is not yet activated. Double click the file named Restore Windows Photo Viewer. Click Run. Click Yes. Click OK. Right click on any image, hover your mouse over Open With and select Choose Another App. As I scroll down here, you can see here that Windows Photo Viewer is now available. This confirms that Windows Photo Viewer has been activated. Click on Windows Photo Viewer, then select Always. Now your images will open with Windows Photo Viewer by default. To remove or undo restore Windows Photo Viewer, run the file named undo restore Windows Photo Viewer. You can see that Windows Photo Viewer no longer appears here, but for now I'll keep Windows Photo Viewer as the default app for opening images. Boom! Windows Photo Viewer is now activated successfully. That's it. If you wish to see more useful videos like this, please show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.